Hello everyone, welcome to 19th China Die Casting Exhibition. My name is Sunny. I would like to say thank you for visiting our booth. As you know, LK has been in die casting industry for almost 50 years. There are a number of reasons why we have achieved these milestones. The most important reason is that LK believe in change, innovation and creativity. Just like the other years, our team, our R&D team has worked for days, weeks and months to bring some new equipments for our LK family. So today I am going to introduce you our newly launched equipment. Let's go. So the first model for this year is squeeze die casting machine. Now, what is squeeze die casting machine and how it is different from conventional high-speed die casting machine? So let me tell you a few differences between these two machines. First of all, high pressure die casting machine use the casting speed is almost 8 meters per second, and also the pressure which the high pressure die casting machine use from 14 MPa to 18 MPa. And basically their injection unit is horizontal, it's just like this. But if you talk about the squeeze die casting machine, the casting speed with the uses range from 0.02 to 0.5 meters second. And also the pressure, the accumulator pressure which they use is almost 21 MPa. And also their injection unit is from bottom to top. It means whatever the molten material we have in the bottom, and that's where we pull it and inject into the die. So the second machine for this year is TPI Thixomolding piston injection molding machine. And what is this machine and how we use this machine? Actually, before, if you want to produce aluminum product, you have to use this high pressure die casting machine, and if you want to produce a magnesium product, you maybe have to buy another machine. But our team has come up with a solution in which our TPI Thixomolding piston injection molding can be integrated with our high pressure die casting machine with its fixed platen, and you can produce both aluminum and magnesium products. So first there is the hopper on the top, and this magnesium raw material get into these barrels, and we have these heat plates which they melt this magnesium and inject into the die, and after that the whole this injection process happens. After launching our this TPI machine, you know, our customer response is really good because it really decrease your production cost, and also the production process is very simple, which is making the things very easier for the manufacturers. All right, so third machine for this year is our CNC machine. As you know, LK has series of CNC machines. We have a taping center, we have lathe machine, we have vertical machining center, but this year we are going to introduce a new machine. Actually, this machine is a big machine used for machining a big part, so whose weight is more than 50 kg or so. So how does it work? As you see, there are 2 gantries integrated in this machine, and it has 5 axes plus 1 AX. 3 axes are for gantry machine and 2 axes for spindle, and 1 axle for rotating this product. Usually it is used for machining bigger parts. For small parts, we still use our conventional small machines, tipping center and lathe machines. All right, these are the machines for this year: TPI, squeeze die casting and CNC machine. If you want to know more about these machines, you can visit our website or you can approach us anytime. We are more than willing to share more information about these machines. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next year with some new innovations.